In this video, I'm going to show you how to build and sell AI-powered chatbots using Business SaaS. And these AI chatbots can be used in our businesses or we can resell it to other businesses for a monthly price. And these AI chatbots are going to help businesses to save a ton of time and money and just be efficient in their businesses. As you know, AI is absolutely taking over right now. So the businesses that will not utilize AI will be left behind. And these AI chatbots are great because they can be integrated to whatever business owner is already doing. And instead of hiring people to do manual tasks, they can save a lot of money by having AI do everything for them. Now, before we get into it, before I share everything with you, I will appreciate if you will press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's dive in. Okay, so no code needed, no tech skills or background needed. After building this AI chatbot, you will be able to resell this to other businesses in a monthly price. Okay, so like I said, no code needed, no tech skills or background needed. But the good thing is you will have two preferences. You can either choose a suggestive mode or autopilot when you are building your AI-powered chatbot. This will help you within the chat window. Let's say you are planning to reply to your client, or your client just asked anything, then the question will be there as a suggestion. You just press OK to send that question. But on the autopilot, it will send messages automatically. Okay, so what are the supported channels? Where can you control? Where can you maneuver? You can do that on Instagram DM, Facebook DM, SMS, Google My Business profile, chat widget, and live chat. Instagram, you might have client asking for whether they want to book meetings, they want to ask any question relating to your business. Facebook the same, Google My Business the same, live chat the same, chat widget, or it might be Google reviews on Google Business profile. You understand? So all of these channels are supported once you are creating your chatbot, and when it's on, you can link to all these supported channels and starting flow with the automation from AI powered chatbot. Okay, so how you will train your AI? You will train through websites, funnels, articles, or your own data. You understand? Once you create the whole website, it has a lot of content. It is talking about the certain service, or it has a current, it has a booking appointment, pages. So the AI chatbot will learn everything about your services and will be always ready to start killing it. So what is the real value? The real value about this, you will be capturing more leads, and leads to more sales. That leads will lead you to make more sales. Having more informed customers lead to more sales. Recommending products lead to more informed sales, which in turn reduces refund rate. Okay, but also automatically answering questions results in fewer emails, quicker answers, and less stress for the customer support team. And this is how you can see how customer support team can start easily being replaced by AI tools. You can see yourself. But also it can help you book automatically over 500 appointments easily per month. You can book even 1,000 appointments, depending with the source of traffic that you're driving towards your website or anywhere where your chatbot can meet those traffic. Okay, so let's check all the way to the software. All right, now I'm on the software, like I said, and this is our testing account, and we're ready to dive in. Okay, so let's go to let's go this side. Okay, all right. So first of all, what we will do, why we are going to train or create this AI chatbot, I want link all the channels right here, all the supported channels. I can link Instagram, I can link Facebook, Google My Business, chat widget, and live chat. And one thing to remember, once you are creating this chatbot or you want to start doing all the tests or the training, at first make sure it is off, because once it is suggestive, it will be providing those suggestions. Once it is autopilot, it will be sending automatically. So we are not yet configuring it, we are not yet trained it with enough data for us to let it be public and starting serving our clients. Okay, so at first we will go direct to training this bot. You can see I've trained it with several links like Bizet Leads, Big Boys, Sharon Ringo. Okay, so I think we can start. For now, let's use Sharon Ringo data. Let's see how our chatbot can describe Sharon or anything. You can use anything. You can put any website right here. The AI will fetch all the datas, and make sure you do page by page. Make sure you do page by page for it to have enough data. Okay, after that, so for example, let's put what website? Let's put okay, I've already, like I said, I've already trained Sharon website, Bizet Leads, all these stuffs. Okay, and these were some few question and answers that I was adding and stuff like that, slogan, all those stuff. So for trial, like I can even ask it can work on two sides. Either general questions or booking appointments. So if we've configured the AI chatbot to book all those appointments, it will be very fast and very efficient, because once the client is showing interest while chatting with our chatbot, AI powered chatbot, the AI powered chatbot will know what next to do with this lead, because the end plan or the final plan for any lead from our website is for that lead to book appointment. You understand? It might be appointment of a dentist, appointment of these restaurants, you name it. It depends with the industry you are dealing with. But all in all, after training that chatbot, AI-powered chatbot, after giving it enough data, it will have those data to help you do what you need. Okay, so if I will leave it the question in the general question and ask, who is Sharon? First is Sharon. And the fun thing, you can ask with any language. That is the best part that I like. You can do it with any language, Swahili, English. So like you can see, Sharon Ringo is a climate activist and stuff like that. So from here I can even ask in Swahili. All right, so remember, while the chatbot is replying here, you can still train it. If it gave you the wrong answer, you can select here, like you didn't like the answer, then you can fix the answer. That means this answer and question will be added to its training data, so it will be well trained and knows that next time when the AI will be asked the same question or the relating question, will have the better answer. Okay, so here we are still training. You can train it as much as you can by sharing all the information you know about that website or your product or your company. Okay, so currently let's try this. Let me ask in English. So what is a age? Maybe okay, Sharon will be that one. Okay, what else? Because I've trained several websites, let me ask about copy trading. Okay, so because we have data, we have trained data from our websites and our client's website, this become an easiest training part, because we know all the stuff that we are doing, understand? But for someone who doesn't know anything, he might need to do, or to narrow, let's say to train, let's get back to the training, to train the chatbot with enough data. Like if your website doesn't have enough data, make sure even your article, make sure you have an article that have enough data about your business. Or if your business doesn't have enough data, make sure you use ChatGPT to create data for your product. Like give enough prompt to ChatGPT to give you the better content that is is full with your information and services and everything. With that case, this AI chatbot will learn everything that you have input on the chat area and give you the best output, because the whole algorithm, the whole business, the whole logic, all the about business of what you are doing or the product has been learned from that AI, and that's how AI operates. Okay, so I want to start copy trading. To start, the boys copy trade, connect your trading account, choose plan. What plans do you have? What plans do you have? I don't know what I'm trying to miscorrect so that I can know where are the loopholes. Understand? Like here, what plans do you have? It said our plans give unlimited access to all features with no hidden fees. Now this one is the information that came from another website. For example, you've seen we have all these links which have been trained already. So they are different links. If you want to have enough data of only one product, you must make sure you have enough, maybe their articles, their website and stuff like that. For me, I just mixed everything in the same chatbot, which is they are different and stuff like that. But for now, let's try another website. Let's do which website? Let's do Apple, maybe hps.apple. So let's see about this Apple website. By the way, which plans do you have? I am talking about copy trade. Okay, the big boys copy trade offers two main packages, Pip Master for that amount and Titan for that. So hii hapa mimi naijua kwa sababu imetoka kwenye website nyingine, kwa sababu nimetaja tu plans, sijasema specific plans ya nini. Ndio maana imeshindwa kunipa plans, kwa sababu imekuwa trend na haina plans ya sites tofauti. Umeona, ukienda kwa Sharon kuna mpaka ana shop yake, e-commerce yake. Sasa kwa hapa naweza nikamuuliza kitu kikaa kinataka kuendana na the same, kama ni product itaka kuendana na Sharon, akajibu swali kwenye upande wa Sharon, kwa sababu anajua zote ni data sahihi ambazo mko trend nazo. Ana data yote zaidi ya data ambazo tayari tusha trend nazo kama hizo. And if I want leads, That means hapa nauliza kitu kingine. I'm asking another stuff which is way different. I'm just mixing those stuff. Big boys, copy trade, 14 days trial without needing a credit card, giving access to all evaluations. So leads, I mean visit leads. You can see just because it has different data, I need to specify which data, or which data am I talking, you understand? So which is normal, and it's very easy because I said before I've trained all this stuff. Now let's ask about Apple. Okay, let's see this website. Okay, iPhone Pro. Okay, so let's see how much I'm learning. So you can get Apple products and services like Genius Bar, create Apple sessions to trade Apple Store. Okay, how much mean? I don't know if the AI will recall the same data that I'm talking to about Apple, or will mix with the previous data that I've already trained the AI. Still testing here, but for what I know, I can only be specific with the data I'm training. If it will be about the certain website, it will go all in with that website and the all details. You don't need to be confused or to confuse your chatbot when you're training, because it will have all the information and it will use those information to answer you, understand? So to get accurate information regarding minimum requirements of Apple services approach, could you please specify which service or product you are referring to? Let's say iPhone 15 Pro Max. iPhone 15. Okay, so I'm not sure. The iPhone 15 hasn't been announced yet, so no specification available. Keep the eye on Apple Store for updates. Let's check another thing about MacBook Air. What about? You can find my web option, stuff like that. So this is the kama mfano. This is like an example of how you can build and create. So after training your AI chatbot with enough data, then you can go here. If your business model also needs to book meeting, you can always set the chatbot to book the meeting for you directly. It might send you the link, like a current link, so that your client can book, or it can book automatically. Once the client suggests the date and stuff like that, it will automatically book and get back to the client like you are booked and stuff like that. Then it will be good and done. Okay, so after saying all this, let's get back to our presentation. Okay, all right, so give me your feedbacks. How do you see it? How have you seen it? How is your so the feedbacks? I'll be waiting for the feedbacks. You can comment, you can share with your friends, and let's see what next. Okay, you can join our private group. I'll be sharing all this. Even this video I'll be dropping the build and sell AI chatbots. We'll be using AI Army. You can see here AI Army. I'll be posting a series of videos how to keep training, you understand, to link it to your website, to link with the follow-up automations from different sources. Okay, but inside this group there is the free course that I was talking about, the software onboarding. You can learn how that platform or the basic SaaS, the software that I'm using to do all these stuffs, how it works. Leave this logo VPC and Facebook muscle. They are not for you now. These are the ones for someone who want to learn more about Google Ads and Facebook Ads, and do lead generation for other businesses, like you're helping these dentists or restaurants, these insurance companies, microfinances and stuff like that. So once you are doing that I call it a higher, or the upsell product, because you will only upsell this service if you have a trust to your client. You're already helping them with the AI chatbot, with the automation of getting reviews automatically from their clients, requesting that, what we call reviews. Okay, you have social planner. You have already established a certain offer so that you can create a good conversation with your prospects or your client and make more money. So let's proceed. The link will be in the description, and you can enjoy anytime. Where to sell? Now this is the best part, because if you have a product and you don't know where to sell, then it will be like a brainer, like a brainer deal or something like that. Where to sell to local business owners. Okay, so how do you find these businesses owners? How do you know them? Understand, you need to know several industries. So I just listed 10 niches that could greatly benefit from AI powered chatbots. There's e-commerce, healthcare, banking and finance, travel and hospitality, real estate. Okay, there is education, customer services, legal services, automotive and insurance. Now these are only 10 that I shared with you for starting. There are so many industries that are using that can greatly benefit from AI powered chatbots. Now let's see the first method, how to sell AI chatbot. So like I said, since you are going to sell the chatbot, we will need services that will need a lot of, it has a lot of back and forth with the client or services or any stuff like that. So for me, I started with dentists, because I know these people, they're making good money. The cash flow is also the industry as industry, the niche as niche, the dentist industry has man. That's why I've used them as a trial. So for example, you can go Google. Let's go Google dentist near me. Okay, you can see, right? So if I go more, all these, what you're seeing here, all these businesses are your clients. All these businesses are your clients from first page to fifth page. Now if I will start with this one, I'm selecting this business. You can see, right? I can open their website, right? If I will check their website, understand, I won't see any chatbot, AI powered chatbot. It might be even a normal chatbot, because there is AI powered chatbot and chatbot. Now here, let me show you one thing. Here, this one, can I help? This one is the chatbot. This is the chatbot, not AI powered chatbot. This one follows only commands, but the AI powered chatbot, let's say I'm taking this website and send it to train the bot again. So that means if you reach to these local business owners, these dentists, you must check their website and you must copy their phone number. You understand? There'll be more offers once you start reaching them. They even have 6 reviews. So there is reviews, there is chatbot, there is own my business, because someone can steal this business. I'll talk about it another day. Then we have this smart special, this dentist. They don't have even a website. You can offer them a free website and start conversation. Then they'll be paying you for that website, and they also be paying you for the chatbot. Okay, in Empire Dental Clinics, the same. So this is the manual way. Now let's get back to our presentation. That was the manual way. That's the manual way. Now there is this lead software which called Bezet Leads. You can download leads from any country in the world. So if you need dentists from Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda, America, Dubai, anywhere, you can save any country. Remember, you have a very good skill. You know how to create a chatbot. You will train that chatbot with enough data for that specific business. Will know everything about that specific business. There is frequent and ask the question. You can take those frequently asked questions. You can from the website of your client, you can give ChatGPT to create even more of them. You understand? Then take all the data and train your own AI powered ChatGPT, and that AI powered ChatGPT will have better results, because once the AI have enough data, will give you the good output. That's it. So this will be easy. The platform works this way. I remember there were another, it has finished already. I was you see, launch automation and save each lead one by one. You can see after saving, it gives me the phone number and email. After saving, it gives me the phone number and email. After saving, it gives me the phone number and email. If I click, you can see reviews 191.70. If I click this website, I'll go direct from the website. But what I'll do today, since it has finished from page 1 to 8, let's go to my leads and I will download it to show you how they looks like. This one it was USA, Dentist, Dallas, Texas. Yeah, sure. Let me download this one. Okay, all right. Where is it downloading? Okay, so I will show you how it works. But now here we go. You see, I have phone numbers. Okay, I have websites. Okay, I have phone number. Oh, these are phone numbers here. All these are phone numbers. Yeah, emails. You understand how many data? Imagine you have all these emails and you are communicating with them. Here's not an end. We have their social media. Okay, you must check from Twitter, starting Twitter. Okay. No, Twitter, okay, Facebook. You see all these Facebook pages, Facebook whatever. Once you click the page, you will see how active they are. This is February, so you will check all of them. Those who are active, those who are not active, you will DM them. I will provide the script how to do in our community. Make sure you join in our community. Okay, make sure you join our community, and I will also explain how you can resell now. So after having those leads, that means you have their email, you have their website, you have their social media platforms. You can do anything. You can do what? You can do anything. So I will explain to you how you can resell it. Okay, how you will do anything. You will demo the software, all these stuffs, how you will, all these bonuses, all these stuffs. Make sure you join our community, you understand? And I will teach everything, how to train the bot, link in the website, and how to offer the rest of the bonuses. You understand? And not charging $5,000 not charging $5,000 to everyday price $297 a month and one-time fee $997. That's $190. That's almost $1,000. But you won't even charge this one. You'll just charge only $297 per month. Zero setup fee, because everything you will get in our community, I will teach everything, and you also get all the bonuses. The bonuses that I'm showing you here. This bonus, the website builder that will give you, plus 1,000 templates if you want to create a website, if you want to do anything, funnels, anything, you name it. Funnels that will collecting leads, the webinar funnels, anything. Social planner, you can post, you can schedule posting, you can post bulk post, all those stuff that you can schedule monthly, post in one place and manage them easily. You understand? For free. Bonus of database reactivation. You have existing database, it will be linked to the software with the automation and help you bring enough results. Same to Google review. So what I'm asking you to do now is to get back to the link in description and join our private group. See you in.